Reduced. The noise level is increased, and the rain's getting harder and harder, so it might just be because it is difficult driving in this kind of condition. Your visibility is reduced. The noise level is increased. I think so. Excuse me. To the road to the right, it's the fourth exit.
Go to the roundabout and then go back down where I've come from.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Panicking. Proper panicking.
But it's difficult when somebody's that close behind you to focus on what you need to do, because it's like, oh my god, if I roll back here.
It's gonna, yeah.
Yeah.
I did really bad then.
Not really. Stayed calm. We got through it. Nobody died.
You should have been so close. It just... It still is down.
Right. Follow the road ahead. How'd that feel?
Yeah, alright.
How steep's this hill?
Nice question.
Did we roll back?
I think I should do when I'm doing these flat corners, have my last look.
I try and get them up the same day if I can. So I'll be doing that, but I might go home for a little lie down today. The rain makes it difficult to hear what's going on as well.